Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can assign a due date to your tasks on Reclaim.ai. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your calendar on Reclaim.ai and pick a task, an upcoming task from your calendar, like, I don't know, this one here. Click into it and you can set a due date here to the right, guys. So what you need to do is click into the given due date or select edit due date below and pick a calendar date here, like let me reschedule the due date to March 12th. And you may also change the time here at the top. So let me switch from 6 p.m. to 3 p.m. Click into submit to confirm. And that is going to change the due date. However, guys, as you can see, the start date won't be affected by this. So that's one way I can do this. Alternatively, guys, you may simply move that task here on your calendar to find a new slot and release your left mouse. And that's also how you can do this. However, guys, as you can see, that applies only to the start date, and the start date is actually not the same as the due date, because you may start the given task here, but the due date may be, as you can see, scheduled to a point later. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.